Welcome! Did you watch my video explaining the vagus nerve and how it relates to trauma? If not, I highly suggest you do, because today we'll be practicing a Kundalini meditation to stimulate the vagus nerve. I'll link it at the top of the screen and in the description. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications bell if you enjoy this content. My name is Stephanie. You probably know me as Altered States of Consciousness. Today I'll be showing you how to tune in for your Kundalini practice. We'll be chanting Ong Namo Gurudev Namo 3 times. This mantra connects us to the golden chain of teachers that came before us. Start by rubbing your palms together. Roll your shoulders back. Bring those palms together in front of your heart. Let's exhale. Close your eyes and inhale to tune in. Ong Namo Guru Ong Namo Gurudev Namo Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Hold this breath. And exhale. And you're now ready for your Kundalini practice. Today we'll be practicing a Kundalini meditation called Vagus Nerve is Tuned Up of the Cosmic Consciousness. For our position, we're going to be seated in a sitting pose, whether that's your legs crossed in front of you or sitting in a chair with both feet flat on the ground. Straighten your spine. Relax the arms down with the elbows bent. Raise the forearms up and in towards each other until the hands meet in front of the heart center. Interlace all the fingers and thumbs and lock them tightly together. Sit with the legs crossed in front of you or in a chair with the weight of both feet equally distributed on the ground. For this meditation, the breath is going to follow the mantra. The eyes are closed, just peeking through the lashes or 1/10 open. Interlock all the fingers and thumbs of both hands together and apply pressure to keep them tightly locked at all times. We will be chanting the mantra Ek Ong KAAR. We will chant in a monotone and continuous unbroken rhythm with no pause at the end of each repetition. The mantra must be pronounced properly and the rhythm must be kept constant. Do not strike the upper palate of the mouth with the tongue. This is a natural tendency to speed up the mantra. Overcome this tendency. For your mental focus on the sound and the rhythm of the mantra. Feel the difference in the effect of the mantra. We will practice today for 3 minutes. If you want to go on for longer, feel free to pause the video and continue. Comments. The harder the hands are pressed together, the more you will automatically start feeling great. The tongue creates a pressure inside the mouth that pushes air up against the upper palate. If the tongue strikes the upper palate, this delicate, subtle balance inside the mouth is destroyed. Unless the mantra is pronounced properly, the proper stimulation in the mind and brain due to the air pressure on the upper palate will not be achieved and the desired result will not be complete. Ek is infinite light. KAAR is the vehicle that carries everything, the infinite light and creativity of our Creator. KAAR is the stimulus of the magnetic field of cosmic consciousness. Okay, are we ready? We need to pronounce the mantra correctly in order to get the right stimulation of the vagus nerve. So the mantra is Ek Ong Kar. And remember, we're not touching the roof of the mouth with our tongue. All right, close your eyes and let's begin. Ek Ong Kar. 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 Inhale. Hold this breath. Gently release your breath and your hands. Good job. The vagus nerve is now tuned up. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications bell to be notified when I post new videos. I'll be showing you all more Kundalini meditations in the future. See you next time.